welcome back again with our YouTube channel FT Lovers, one of the best of YouTube channel in Bali at the moment. Alright?
Hey Eddie!
Yes?
Open your mask
Why?
so the people can see your bloody face.
Huh? Okay. Sorry. Okay. Hi. Yeah, you. Oh my God, look so handsome here. Oh, like a porn actor. Alright. So as usual, when I do the make a video, I'm always bring my team, my bloody crazy team. And I would like to introducing you again, just in case you guys forget about their face, because sometimes they look ugly, sometimes they look handsome, but most of the time they look fucking ugly. Sorry about my language, okay? Okay, the first one, so I like to introducing you this guy, yes.
Oh hey! My name is Agus. I am the cutest one. The cute
my
one.
God, cutest, oh, look like a cat. This one.
Yoga.
Alright, that one, Adi, where is Adi? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, okay, this is
I'm the bloody Adi. Alright.
Okay, stop. Okay. Okay, back to me again, alright? So, guys, so I like to inform you, so this evening, we'll go to, me and my team will go to Kuta and Legian to explore that place, to see the situation in this evening, what it look like, yeah. And also at the moment, it's rain in Bali at the moment, so hopefully we can explore more about Legian and Kuta, or maybe a bit of Seminyak, okay? So please always stay tuned and keep follow us to see the situation, alright? Thank you! Josh! Happy Lover!
Welcome in Bali, sir. Be careful, yeah. Be careful your step.
Huh? What you doing? Oh my God! Umbrella!
Chicken soup, bloody good, eh? Chicken soup. You not miss a chicken soup in Bali? Woo! Bloody good. Have a guess. A donut man. A donut.
Okay, we are now in Kuta Main Street, not far from Bali Bomb Memorial. What time now, guys?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock Bali time.
Bali time.
So quiet and we have bit of rain.
Good.
The front of the beach walk at Kuta. Yeah, as you can see, they're still open. Yeah, maybe another couple minutes or another couple hours they will close. Yeah, because the pandemic. All right.
Come? What do you mean?
Oi, 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 oi! Osi, osi, oi, oi!
Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
Party, party, man, party!
Oh, okay, okay.
Hey!
Hey, party here. This is no your car. That's your car, same white.
Oh,
Not this one. You are going to wrong car.
oh no! Get in the wrong car! Oh, the party!
Oh, bloody hell! Oh my God!
Wrong car?
Hey guys, now we are in the front of Y Bar. Yeah, mainly this restaurant quite busy at the normal situation, but they're still open. But look, as you can see, the one here, it's us. We will do the midget boxing here.
So this is the end of the video tonight. Yeah, we did explore some bit of area, Kuta and Legian area that you can see in the video. How is the situation during the pandemic time? It was so sad to see this condition now because lots of shop, lots of places are still closed, but some of the restaurant is open. So, open your mouth so you can talk, right? Okay, okay.
So now my
Very
turn.
nice.
Adi still hiding. So a lot of place, like Adi say, a lot of place are closed, but a few of them still open. Are you from India?
Yes, namaste. Namaste.
Who are you?
Where am I?
Where are you from?
From back.
Okay, okay, time's out, time's out. Okay, back serious, alright? So me and Adi Yoga and Agus, I would like to say thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.
Please stay tuned in our next video, okay? And we will explore again more about the situation in Legian Kuta Seminyak during the day. Okay?
Yep.
Thank you very much
Thank
once
you.
again and happy. Yo!